You have to try this soy butter ramen recipe.
Let's make soya garlic ramen.
First, cook your noodles.
First, cook your noodles.
Saute your garlic.
Saute the garlic. That's enough to kill a baby.
Add your cooked noodles.
Add in your cooked noodles. What the fuck was that?
Add your soup base.
Adding my soup base.
Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Add 1.56 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Should look something like this.
Mine's drier. I think I cannot make anything wet.
Finishing touches, add a little bit of butter.
I don't have the butter, so I'm gonna use sesame seeds. Look at this shit. It tastes like Latin gyat. Subscribe for all the good luck in the world.
You asked, we delivered. Today on Just a Trend or Do It Again, we're making the TikTok ramen.
Let's make the TikTok ramen.
Start by cooking your ramen noodles until al dente.
Cooking the noodles until al dente. Mamma mia.
Then in a skillet, add butter, minced garlic, and soy sauce.
Adding ghee, garlic, and soy sauce.
Add in a tablespoon of brown sugar and as many red pepper flakes as you'd like. Then
White sugar, red chili flakes.
let the sauce get thick
Why I'm having a chemical reaction here?
and add in your noodles.
Adding my noodles. I need to remove those.
This was very, very tasty.
Fuck Josh Hot. Good. 6.7 out of 10.
This might be one of the most addictive ramen hacks I've ever tried.
Let's try this most addictive ramen hack.
The most important ingredient, you'll need a pack of Shin Ramyun.
I don't have Shin ramen, so I'm gonna use Top ramen.
And while your ramen is cooking, add in the seasoning packets, sesame seeds, fresh ground pepper, and some minced garlic.
The most moldy garlic I have ever seen. Seasoning packet, pepper, garlic with mold.
Add in your hot oil, and this is where the magic happens.
Pouring the hot oil. The only magic in my life is you. Subscribe.
At this point, it actually smells so good.
Smells like fried garlic with mold.
Add in your ramen and mix, mix, mix.
Add in my ramen.
Fry an egg. And yes, unfortunately, I think I ate that eggshell.
That is a big ass fried egg.
This is one of the most delicious Shin ramen recipes I've ever tried.
Annyeong doobies. Let's do some cooking.
Little bit of that ocean.
You're using metal to scrape your saucepan higher. This
Let's cook this bitch.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
We cannot forget the legend. That's more convenient. As always, Bismillah.
Prove them. Yes! 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 No! 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 Fuck! Shit! Oh! Oh my fucking god!